Hello everybody, we are preparing the Easter retreat here at the Romanian Sphinx. This is a fabulous area that we're visiting every year, and on the Easter retreat we're gonna be here practicing tuning into these energy vortexes and discussing and downloading the energies for embodied enlightenment, for embodying your light, embodying your highest potential, fine-tuning your body, upgrading your energy to the best blueprint that you can have. And we're gonna be here for 3 or 4 days, visiting sacred sites, doing energy work, having fun together, and you can receive the new pathways, the new light codes for your brightest future, because there's so much energy shifting now on Earth, and we're getting ready, we're fine-tuning our bodies and our energy field for this. So looking forward to see you. There's a link in the description of the video or in bio, depending on where you're watching. And make sure to take advantage of the early bird until March 18. And looking forward to see you here and having fun with you at the Romanian Sphinx and in the beautiful area of the Bucegi Mountains. See you soon.